it's my favorite time of the week because we bring in Mississippi's favorite doctor, Dr. Quinn, and maybe in the future, my doctor. How about that?
Hey, I'll take it, sir.
Yeah, I've already emailed you. I need a physical, and I think I take on Mississippi's favorite doctor. How about that? All right, so today's conversation is about medication and the fear that people have on any type of medication. It's not just vaccines. It's all kinds of things that people get scared about. And what do you tell them when they come to you with, hey, I read on Google, there's this side effect if I take this?
You know, I'm laughing because Dr. Google, he's always coming to doctor's office with the patients. That's very common. But here's the deal. What I do is I typically ask the patients a question. And you know what? I'm going to ask you. When you got in your car this morning, all right, and these are for patients that are concerned about side effects of medications to the point where they're saying, I'm not going to take the medicine because I don't want the side effects. So what I ask them is, when you got up this morning and you drove to the doctor's office, or you drove to WJTV, the most wonderful television station in the world, there's a possibility that you could have had a side effect to driving. And that possibility could have been you could have had an accident, been injured, or lost your life. I mean, do you agree or disagree?
No, absolutely. And I think I know where you're going with this. And something that I always tell people is when your car breaks down, you go to a mechanic. So when you get sick, you go to the doctor. That's
true. But what I'm using is an analogy because people that are concerned about side effects of medications, I help them understand by using that analogy because when you drive a car, there's a possibility, in that word possibility, that you could have an accident. So when you take medications, for example, I had a talk with a patient earlier today about blood pressure medicine. He was concerned about side effects. I said it's possible you could have side effects, but the benefits outweigh the risk. Now, the benefits of driving to work is you get paid, you make money, you pay your bills, and you take care of your family. The side effects possibility of blood pressure medicine could be very minor. You could get a little swelling, you could get a little cough, but if you have a conversation with your medical doctor, he can switch it to another class and treat your blood pressure, and side effects are gone. And after I explain this, usually patients are really well understood and they say, hey, we're going to take this medication.
This may put you on the spot a little bit, but is there any specific medications that tend to have the most, fear, I guess?
You know, it's funny you say that because as a male doctor, I get a lot of male patients, and a lot of my male patients are concerned when you put them on blood pressure medicine that they can have that side effect that's going to mess with their manhood.
Okay.
I get that every day. So what I tell my patients is to consider the risk versus the benefits. Now, the benefits of taking that blood pressure medicine are you're going to have much less of a chance of having a heart attack or a stroke and losing your whole life in the casket. The risks are it could mess with the manhood, but like I said earlier, have that conversation with your medical provider, me in the case of my patients. And if you do have that problem, we can switch it to another class of medication. And in most cases, no more problems. And all my men are happy, and they're taking that medication.
Yeah, you might lose an inch off your arms, but at the end of the day, you're going to be living to see another day. Final advice. We got about 30 seconds, Dr. Quinn.
I mean, take your medication as prescribed by your doctor, but educate yourself. Talk to your doctor about what are the possible side effects so you can be on the lookout. What's the most dangerous? When do you need to call 911, or when do you just need to call your doctor? And understand that medication is very safe if taken according to your doctor's prescriptions.